Hi, I'm Kristen, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise is frog squats. This basic exercise is so powerful. It's so simple yet so effective, and you're guaranteed to feel it the next day. Frog squats strengthen your legs, strengthen your glutes, and there's all different variations that you'll find in our classes. Form is key though, to safely perform the exercise and to get the most out of it. Let's take a look. Feet wider than hip width, toes out. Make sure your knees point the same direction as your toes. Hands to heart center. Neutral spine. Engage your abdomen. Look forward. Squat down, hips back, knees away from the wall in front of you, and stand back up. Hips will go down below your knees as you gain strength and mobility. However, avoid going down too far and bottoming out. Stay in the work zone. Time under tension gets you the results you want. Start slow and get the proper form first. 3 things to pay attention to: knees, spine, and abdomen. Make sure your knees do not collapse in as you squat down. Instead, press down through the pinky toe sides of your feet, body weight slightly towards your heels, and track the knees the same direction as your toes throughout. Also, make sure your knees don't come forward past the toes. Let's take a look from the side view. When you squat by pushing your knees forward, it's a lot of pressure in your knees and less engagement in your legs and glutes. Instead, sit back and down, body weight to the heels. Proper form here will really get your legs and glutes talking to you. Notice the spine alignment. Try not to collapse forward into spinal flexion or flare the ribs and back bend. Keep neutral spine throughout, shoulders down and back, abdomen strong. It can be easy as you focus on your lower body to let your abdomen hang out. Stomach in throughout will help you keep proper alignment in your spine and lighten the load on the legs. Remember, your powerhouse is your engine and is an integral part of all the exercises. Move from your center and you'll have better balance and more fluidity in your frog squats. Once you have proper form, you can speed things up, and you'll see that frog squats not only build strength in the lower body, but are a great cardio exercise as well. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.